That's a perfect stop. Anyway, yes, we are outside New Street Station, and for some reason, our train leaves from Snow Hill. How do we get to Snow Hill? Yes, Manchester. No, Birmingham Trams. Why did I say Manchester? Great.
Street for me and Monty.
Yeah, keep it. That's my ticket. Second time on the Birmingham tram. Yeah. Wasn't the last time you went on the Birmingham trams on the rear? And then Corporation Street. Oh, okay. No. The next stop is ours. This is Corporation Street. Well, that was a quick stop. Anyway, the next station is Bull Street.
This tram leads at Wolverhampton St George's.
The next station is Bull Street, which is the closest stop to Snow Hill.
You've got like one a day, pretty much. Okay. And there's some other bits and pieces as well, just obviously.
National Rail Station. And National Rail Services.
Just write it down and we'll get it. Alright.
This tram terminates at Wolverhampton St George's.
Alright, see you later. Snow Hill's literally straight through that little alleyway up there.
Is it? Thank you. Thank you.
Anyway, here we are at Snow Hill, which is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Not very frequent. Anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye.